Hey Siri, battle stations. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. We got a lot to do still. Good morning, Bobby.
Good morning, almighty potato _o_ no. You ready to wrestle with some bugs today? Remember, every crash is just another opportunity for us to bond over the madness of debugging.
Yes, Bobby, I am ready. Thank you. I like that. I like that.
Well, I'm glad my motivational speeches aren't going to waste. Just remember, when in doubt, blame it on a semicolon. Those little guys are shifty.
They really are. If I could, oh my God, what has happened? What? All right, wait. What is happening here? Okay, so I'm screen sharing from my MacBook to my PC so I can do iOS development again. And Reflector, the thing that I use for the screen sharing, has decided that it's a giant iPhone. That's amazing. I'm gonna leave it like that. Cool. Very good. Can I make it bigger? I can move it. Oh, I can make it bigger. It's even bigger. This is so dumb. Yes. Yes. Perfect. You do win. You win these. All right. Let's leave it like that. I love that from me. All right. Let's take a look at our to-do list. We didn't do shit yesterday. I mean, it was kind of a holiday. Kind of. But oh boy, was it frustrating. I was struggling to hit start today. I gotta tell you. The problem with tooling that is too smart is that once the tooling breaks, you are in deep, deep shit. Very deep indeed. So we're gonna go log back into the console. Let's just see before we move on. We gotta do Rose Thorn Bud still. I haven't done that. I gotta uncheck that check. But let's just go in here and see if this thing. No, it did not. It did not. Okay. All right. Very good. All right, so we're gonna do Rose Thorn Bud. We're gonna get back to app crashes. Hopefully we get that resolved today. I'll be happy if I just get that one thing done today. But then we've got all this other stuff on the list. You know what I'm gonna call this? I'm gonna switch it up. Switch it up. Today / this week. Because this is a week's worth of stuff easy. Especially if I'm gonna be out on Thursday, which I will be. And then not that long after that, I think Tuesday of next week. Let me double check. Yeah, Tuesday of next week is our trip out to Plano to go talk to the Toyota guys about where we're at. Demo day, for real. So, gotta get on this. There might be some weekend streams coming. So let's do Rose Thorn Bud, and then let's jump back into fucking app crashes. Jesus Christ. Here's my notes for making trains. All right. In Satisfactory, that's what I was doing this weekend. I had a really good weekend. Let's talk about that. Let's erase this stuff first. Oh God, the rabbit. Okay. So Wyatt and I had a great time. It was just us two in the city on Saturday. That was really fun. We went to the Nintendo store for him. That was fun. He enjoyed that. He's been there a bunch of times, and you know, the Nintendo store in Manhattan, it's meh. It's meh. But you know, he's 10. He likes it. He had a good time. He got like a blushy chain chomp guy and a little tiny Mario Kart RC racer guy. People spend a lot of money at that place. I see people lining up and they have these huge bags full of just everything they sell. Holy moly. You get two things. Come on. We had a nice lunch in the city. That was cool. And then we went to Economy Candy in the Lower East Side. Bought a bunch of weird candy for Halloween. That was fun. I accidentally bought giant Reese's peanut butter cups. And when I'm talking about giant, I'm talking like they're giant. Like two. Like this is one and this is the other one. It's this package just like this big. I can't frame it. I can't frame it in front of the camera, but it's big. It's like two pies. I thought I was buying a package of like lots of little Reese's peanut butter cups. I don't know why I fucked that up so badly, but now I have these giant Reese's peanut butter cups. I gotta figure out what to do with them. So we're gonna have to have some kind of like costume contest or something on Halloween. We do this fun thing now. We started this last year, where all the neighbors, we have this little cul-de-sac that we're on the corner of, and all the neighbors come. We all sit up. The road into the cul-de-sac kind of goes downhill, and the cul-de-sac ends, you know, kind of at the basin of that little downhill area, and so everyone comes up to the top and sits on sort of the intersection. We set up tables. Rather than everyone going down and walking the whole block, they like just come to our tables and we all hang out up there together. And we had like a little party going on. That's really fun. So we're gonna do that again. So maybe I'll like figure out the Reese's peanut butter cup situation as part of that. Like that'll be a prize or something. I don't know. Don't ask me questions. Honestly. And then the other thing that happened this weekend that was fun was Wyatt went to on Monday, he went to like a little video game tournament thing. And he was like so stressed out about it. He wanted to do well. And it was like totally like not a real thing. It was just like come to the community center and we're going to have a Super Smash Brothers tournament. And all, you know, the town kids all came. And But he did great. He took second place. He was in the last match against this kid who was like a lot older than him. And then, you know, was a good sport the whole time, which was like even more important to me than that he did well. And he was like very pumped. He got a prize. He was like super pumped. So that was good. So let's put 4 roses. NYC. Dad and son. That's fun. Video game tourney. That was fun. Thorns. This Crashalytics thing is my thorn, man. I am so mad at it. Like, it shouldn't be this hard. It shouldn't be this hard. Crash reporting. Like, I should plug I should be able to plug the thing in to the development machine, run the app, and when it throws an exception, I should at very least get the output of the app in the development environment. I shouldn't have to set up like crash reporting. Crash reporting is important once you have things out in the wild, yes, and we'll get there, but I shouldn't need this for the basics. And it shouldn't be this hard. It should be relatively straightforward. So, very frustrated with that. Let's see, Buds. I've got Angel's birthday on Thursday. Still haven't figured out all the stuff that we're doing yet. I've got reservations for lunch, but haven't figured out beyond that yet. That's gotta happen soon because I gotta figure that out. That's in 2 days. But birthday lunch. Yes. Birthday lunches. And over here, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna hit this up. Do one of these guys. There you are. Okay. All right. That's good. That's a good roast on, bud. It's, you know, by and large, a good weekend. Pretty happy with it. But now I gotta get some shit done. Gotta get to work. Got shit to do. Right? Alright, so this assholio. I've given this thing the dsim zip file like 17 times. And I'm 87% sure I'm giving it the right ones because there's this whole thing in here about where to find the things. Flutterfire configure. Adding the Crashalytics Flutter plugin and running Flutterfire configured command will attempt to run a script to your project's Xcode workspace that finds and uploads the necessary dsim files to Crashalytics. Well, I've been calling it Crashalytics. Excuse me. Without these files, you'll see a missing dsim alert in the Crashalytics dashboard, and exceptions will be held by the backend until the missing files are uploaded. If you have this issue, what issue? Who writes this? I feel like this documentation was written by ChatGPT. It is like all over the place and...
Haha, ChatGPT strikes again. Sounds like you're on a wild goose chase with this Crashalytics nonsense. Maybe it was written by someone who had a crash themselves and lost the plot midway. Ever thought about hiring a psychic to predict your crashes instead? Might be more straightforward. Anyway, hope Angel's birthday lunch isn't as confusing as this crash report mess.
Angel?
Maybe you'll have a revelation over dessert and everything will magically work. Fingers crossed.
Thank you, Bobby.
No problem, potate_o_no. Glad I could add a sprinkle of humor to the chaos. Just remember, if all else fails, try turning it off and on again, or sacrifice a computer mouse to the tech gods. Either way, stay sane and good luck with Angel's birthday plans. Shortcake Party Popper.
Alright. I have got to fix this, because this is continuing to be a problem. So DHCP least. I actually need this. And I need a few of these. I switched to using DNS Forwarder instead of Resolver because I was having problems. Now, I have other problems. Alright, I need Frostner, Porcupine, Anarchy. Ah. Forgetting, like tab and then I forget like immediately. At least the machines that are in here, I gotta have in here. Okay. Fantastic.
Wow, that's fantastic, Pee-wee. Thanks.
All right, you in here, and then you into here. Yes. Okay. Flutterfire configure. That is what is supposed to do the thing that we need. The thing. You have an existing Firebase JSON file and possibly already. And possibly already configured your project for Firebase. Would you prefer to reuse the values? Yes, reuse those values. Use the shit out of them, please. Hey, what did you do? What did you do, sir?
What is it? It can't be. It can't be. What is it? It can't be. What did you do, Ray? Oh, shit.
I like how I did that twice. That was nice. All right. I want to see some verbosity, please. Can you show me what you're doing, sir? I guess not. All right. Well then, I suppose what we need to do is go fuck ourselves. All right, let's go use this giant iPhone. Okay, this can go. This can. We need to go into here. Aha, this is what we need. Then we got these build phases, yes. And then we have this thing, upload Crashalytics symbols. So this should do the thing that we need, right? Show environment variables and build log. Where's the build log? Okay. Okay. Here's what's gonna happen. Watch this. Why is this thing so big? I don't understand why the text in this tiny little window is so ginormous. It's kind of ridiculous, isn't it? All right, giant iPhone. Let's go over here. I'm gonna make a temp, make directory. All right, cd temp. Here's my temp directory. Okay, I'm gonna make this bigger. Big, big, big. No! Not you. I get so confused over which computer I'm on, and I use hotkeys and the wrong hotkeys. All right, now we're gonna VI. This is the build. Upload Crashalytics build phase script. Ha, there's that. Okay. Flutter Fire upload Crashalytics symbols. Upload symbols script paths. Pods root Firebase Crashalytics upload symbols. Upload symbols script path. That's the path to the script that we need to run. Okay. Apple project path. Okay. You know what? Let's just go ahead and come in here and put in the backslashes so this is readable. It's time to get a little more aggressive with figuring this out. Right? Don't you think so? All right. So here's where we need the env dwarf sim folder path. That is the thing that we need. Mistake. Fix the mistake. Another mistake. All right. That should be everything that we need. Okay. So now, I want to also echo dwarf A. You know what? We're going to just do it like this. These are the two things I want. Right? I want those two things. So I'm going to echo. Temp. What is this thing that I'm building? I'm going to call this Moni app build stuff text. Right? Okay, so now we'll do the first one. We'll overwrite the file. The second one we'll append to the file. And then we're going to put dwarf sim folder path is equal to that. And we're going to say dwarf sim dsym file name is equal to that. Okay. So there's our thing. Now I'm going to put that on the clipboard. I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to paste it. I'm going to take care of this blank line in the beginning. That looks much more sane. All right, let's hope that this works. All right, now I'm going to hit build over here. Building. Oh God, I got this thing on the screen. Dumb. So dumb. All right, it's building. Oh, and I have this other thing. We'll put this one back in for now, and then we'll put the other one back in once we have like a loop. Okay. It ran. Hooray. It has started. I'm still laughing at this giant iPhone. I don't know how I got that. Okay. Maybe I should show you this thing? I don't know. All right, let's look at the thing. All right, I'm in my temp, but I need to be in the root temp. Root temp, there it is. Moni build stuff text. Temp Moni build stuff. Moni app build stuff. Okay. Now, this is the thing that I uploaded. 100% this is the thing that I uploaded. And 100% that this ran and it uploaded the thing. So, question marks? Why is it still showing? Why is it still showing you don't have the things in here, huh? You're a goddamn liar. Can I delete these? I want these to go away. Hide. Okay. Okay. One through 12 of 12. Okay. All right. So now. All right. Take a sip of coffee. Okay. Okay. Probably should go ahead and show this on the screen as well. Will you? I guess not. Oh, you do. Very good. Okay. Okay. So now I can do this. And I can say this one is this one. Aha. Now I got a real mess going. There we go. Okay. Okay. Crash. Sir? Crash. Let's take a look at this. First of all, why am I not like in a debugging mode? Like, shouldn't it break on exception? Create exception breakpoint. Create swift error breakpoint. Right, so here's what it said. Crashalytics skipped rotating the
Maybe the
install.
code just wants a break from all the chaos. Like, Nat, I'm done. Peace out. You sure it's not on a permanent vacation mode? Anyway, while you wrestle with that, here's some unsolicited advice. Always keep your coffee cup full. Caffeine might not solve your coding crisis, but at least you'll be awake and alert for all the frustration. And hey, if all else fails, try turning it off and on again. It's basically tech magic.
I feel like wait. Hang on. That's way too big though. Hang on. We need to start keeping track of how many times we are told to turn it off and turn it on again. I think it's important. Look, this is important business. Oh yeah, full green. Oh wait. Oh no. How do I change the size of it? Font. It's way too big. Let's say 64. Ah, there we go. Okay. We'll start keeping track now. And I think we should also start keeping track of the scarecrow joke. But that'll come later. All right, so where was I? I got distracted. Crashalytics skipped rotating the install ID during urgent mode because it is run on the main thread, which can't succeed. That fucking can't work. This can happen if the app crashed in the last run and Crashalytics is uploading urgently. Failed to copy updated result. That's a problem. Warning. Empty DSIM file detected. DSIM was created with an executable with no debug info. Ah. Well, that could be part of our problem, right? Okay, so let's stop. No! I didn't want you to run. Stop. Build failed. Great. Run, test, profile, analyze. Test. No, this is just going to run unit tests. I don't want to run unit tests. Build failed. Oh, great. Run. Build succeeded. Oh, hooray! Okay. Empty DSIM file detected. Let's just search. I'm done guessing. You know, empty DSIM file detected. And how do I fix that? Yes, this one. Yes. Oh my god. So bright. I'm experiencing the same issue. Oh shit. It seems you have to go to the build settings and update debug information for us to dwarf back to dwarf with DSIM files. I did that. That has been done. Oh, these are all super new. Fucking yikes. These are all brand new. Super yikes, dude. Okay, let's go and build settings. All right. Let's go to build settings. I mean, I could be going through this list for hours looking for the right thing. I tried enable debug dlib support equals no. Okay. Enable debug dlib support, yes. Okay. No. Save. Build. Go here. Building. Build succeeded. Running. Waiting to attach. Okay. Principal class is nil because all fallbacks have failed. Metal tools. Okay. Firebase court. No app has been configured yet. Yeah, bro. To enable debug logging, set the following application argument. Well, I don't like you, Google. Google, I don't like you. We're not friends. Specify runtime arguments and environment variables for your app. Use the scheme editor to specify runtime arguments and environment variables for your apps, and it runs in Xcode. Scheme menu from the toolbar. Use the scheme editor. How do I get to this thing? How do I do that? All right, well, let's go. Let's go over here. I'm gonna hit crash. Crash, you son of a bitch. Crashalytics skipped rotating the install ID during urgent mode because it is run on the main thread, which can't succeed. This can happen if the app crashed, the last run and analytics is uploading urgently. Okay. 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 Getting real quiet because I'm getting real frustrated again. All right. Strip debug symbols during copy. No. Strip linked product. Yes. No. Strip Swift symbols. No. Save. Stop. I'm curious if I run this. Yeah, it crashes. But there's no way for me to attach this. Okay. All right, build again. Build again, building. Okay. Okay. All right. So now I've sent lots of crashes. This thing should reload. It's gonna be like, you fucking suck. Your shit sucks. Fucking hate you. Oh, look. 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 Aha. Aha. Yes. So here's the when I push the button. Okay, got it. Thank you, friend. Here's where I push the button. Range error, invalid value. Ah, very good. Okay, great. This one. This is the thing that we're trying to resolve. Generated plugin registrant. Crashed. Bad access kern invalid address 0. Yikes, dude. 100% yikes. App delegate. Show all 13 threads. I don't think I need to do that. All right. Logs and breadcrumbs. Yes. Okay, none of this helps me. Generated plugin registrant, line 60. App delegate application. All right. All right. That is not what. Right? And then we're going to. Not you. Not you. Not you. You. Oh, that was so bright.
Looks like you're having a real party over there with all those crashes and errors.
I'm having
I'm
a
sure
super
the computer
big
is
party.
just trying to keep you on your toes. Have you tried yelling at it? Sometimes that works. Also, did you hear about the computer that took a nap? It had a sleep mode. Keep going, you'll figure this out, eventually.
Okay. Bing bong. All right, so it seems like this might be like the plugins aren't, I don't know why it would work. Yeah, this is super weird. It's very weird. But it seems like it's a dependency issue, right? It's a dependency issue. So a few things I want to figure out then. Number one. Oh my God, it's so loud. You're so loud, song. Just go ahead and go to the next one, okay? Okay, so first thing we're gonna check is this thing mentions there's somewhere in here there is a target iOS version in the pod file. Target iOS is 13, okay? And over here, okay, so let's make these match. And actually, that doesn't, deployment info. This is minimum deployment, it's iOS. Now it's 13. Okay. Deployment info, here we are. Okay. Pods runner framework, do not embed. Should this be embed? Embed and sign, embed without signing. Okay. That might need to be a thing. All right, so let's start with just this. We changed that to 13. So now we're going to run it again. Let's go here so you can see what I'm doing. I keep doing that. I apologize. So many things going. good thing nobody's here in chat, because otherwise would not see it. Okay, that's running.
Surprise. I'm always lurking.
You're
Sounds
always
like
lurking.
you're having quite the adventure with those iOS versions. Maybe it's not a party without some tech drama, right? Just make sure those versions match like a pair of mismatched socks, at least they're interesting together. Also, maybe check your other dependencies so they play nice too. Happy debugging. Oh, and did you hear about the computer that got cold? It had to put on a few extra bits to warm up.
Okay. All right. We're going to try this. Okay. Okay, let's put this back the way it was. Okay. All right. The next thing I want to try, the next thing I want to mess with is yesterday, I have not been able to get this thing to build with the command line tools. And I think there's maybe part of the problem. I think it's Flutter build iOS. Is that how that works? Oh God. No, I don't want release. I want debug. So that might be another thing we need to figure out. So maybe that's why this doesn't work, because there's a signing issue and maybe I don't need to sign when I'm running debug. I don't know. It seems unlikely. I'll be happy when I can put this away for a bit again. I'd like to spend, once we get to a point where I'm ready for the demo next week, I want to spend a day redoing the chat integration of, oh, there it is. There's the problem. Failed to code sign.
Ah, the never-ending saga of command line adventures. Flutter build IOs can indeed be a bit of a wild card sometimes. Signing issues can be as elusive as a cat at bath time. Maybe double check your certificates and provisioning profiles? They tend to wander off like socks in the dryer. Once you conquer this beast, that demo will be a breeze. And hey, chat integration sounds fun. Just remember to keep me updated so I don't get too bored lurking in the shadows. Good luck with the debugging quest. Oh, speaking of bugs, why did the programmer quit his job? Because he...
Oh no. Aw. Well, always wonder. All right, so let's figure out why failed to code sign is happening. We looked at this yesterday, apparently. Check if the identity is installed. Encountered error while building for device. Failed the code sign. Cool. Great. Alright, well, let's try this. I mean, let's just try it. Let's just try it. No. Okay. Two identities. So this is the this is this, right? 816 blah 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 743. 816 blah 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 743. They look the same to me. Okay. Manually lock unlock keychain. Okay. Try to sign a random file. Okay. Code sign. Force. Sign. This guy. Oh. All right. Foo.text. All right. Error sec internal component. Cool. Very cool. Maybe it's because we're on SSH and it wants to show an interactive thing. Maybe, possibly, maybe, possibly, hopefully, maybe, possibly. Replacing existing signature. Okay. So maybe need to build this here. Okay, so let's try this. Flutter, build iOS. All right, yeah. So while this is building, I will talk about what I was going to talk about. I need to redo the integration with Twitch and use the not IRC style integration. I think we'll get better luck with messages coming through. Only about 60 to 70% of the messages that you know who says actually come through that, like, we hear it, you hear the text to speech, but you don't see the text. So I'm hoping that will fix that. Hey, that worked. So I needed to run it. So maybe it was just like, it wasn't, that's super weird. And then now, okay, so now with my SSH version, can I now build here? Will this now work? Because it seems kind of crappy if I can't build remote. Oh, now it's working. Okay. So there was some kind of handshake. Oh, wait. Spoke too soon. Holy shit. Replacing existing signature. Error security internal component. God, what a mess. All right. Is there like a clean? Can I clean? Ah, clean. I hear this music and I want to buy consumer packaged goods. Oh, this is going to take a while because I just cleaned. This is going to take a while. Oh, God. I can just like picture the TV commercial that goes with that song. I mean, we're gonna have to go. I think we've determined that Pretzel as a music source is just no longer functional. So this is all stuff from Free Music Archive. I'm gonna go back to Free Music Archive and spend a couple of hours just digging through it and adding to this playlist. And that's gonna be what it's gonna be. So some of the songs are gonna make you want to buy consumer packaged goods. That's okay. Everyone needs paper towels. Wow, everything is out of date. This project is not very old. How are these dependencies so far out of date? Let's not mess with that yet. All right, failed to code sign again. So now if I go over here, let's go here and go here. I think we just need to build this here because there is some handshaking that has to happen with keychain. That's the problem. This is a handshake that's happening with keychain that when I do things over SSH does not function. There's probably a way to fix that. But am I going to fight with that now? I don't know. I don't think so. Because we're still no closer to figuring out what the source of the crash is. Okay, now how can I deploy this? I want to deploy this. Attach to a running app, devices, install. Okay. Flutter, devices. Right, there's the phone. Flutter. Install. How does that work? Oh, don't just do it. Just show them. Okay, fine. All right. All right. Are you good? Are you good? All right. Hey, look at that. It ran. It did not crash this time. Okay, now I'm going to kill it. Kill that too. You get out of here. Hey, look at that. It ran. Okay. We got him, Dirk. We got him. Anything's not working either. Oh my god, everything's broken. Alright, reflector. Boom. There's that. Alright. Yes. Look how excited I am. Look at my excited yawn. Okay. I guess we should figure out how to test flight. I kind of feel like that was very sudden. Like, I don't feel resolution around that too well. To be honest with you, to be honest. Let's go back over here. I want to just check one more thing. Here's this guy again. We're going to go in here. And I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go here. Can't see this. I'm not going to pull it back up. Okay, I'm causing it to crash. Or it should be causing it. I mean, the thing doesn't actually crash. I should change the release too. I'm gonna do that too. Let's do that now. Let's do that next. How do we change the release? Oh god. That was a terrible idea. There it is. Pods. Pod spec. Pub spec. Let's go ahead and open this guy. Aha. Can I change this name without breaking something? Let's find out.
You know, with your luck, changing that name might just summon a digital poltergeist.
It might.
But hey, what's a little chaos between friends, right? If it breaks something, just blame it on me. I'm used to it.
It's all your fault, Bobby. No, it's not your fault, Bobby. I'm kidding.
Ah, the sweet sound of blame. My natural habitat. Just remember, I only cause 99% of tech issues, the other 1% is your fault. Smirking face. Ah, you're too kind. But seriously, if anything else goes wrong, just let me know. I'll be here with my snarky comments and possibly helpful advice. Or at least a joke to lighten the mood.
Okay, Bill. Oop. Where am I? Alright, here we go. Okay. ran. Didn't change the name. All right. Okay. Well, I don't know if the release thing updated or not. I don't think it did. All right, well, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. All right, so what I need to do now is figure out how I can add someone to test this with test flight. Well, let's go on. Let's go in here. And let's see if we can figure out how that would work. Oh God. All right, I don't want to do that here. All right. Well, maybe this thing has a thing for that. App distribution. Okay. Distribute pre-release versions of your apps to your trusted testers. That sounds great. Let's do that. Maybe I won't use test flight. All right. Drag and drop an IPA to create a new release. Okay. All right. Well, I can do that, I think. Right? We did that earlier. Or we saw that. We have not done it yet. So let's do it. All right. So. Yeah, it was under build. All right. Build an IPA. A little early, don't you think? That was terrible. I'm sorry. Apologize. All right, well, that's running. I'm going to use the bathroom, maybe get some more coffee and something. Oh, wait. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm getting a smoothie. Angela is making me a smoothie. Oh boy. All right, we built a thing. Okay. Okay. All right. Wait, where'd you put it? Okay. Upload release about reusing your CLI tools. All right. So I should be able to do, say, Firebase. Okay. Okay, before I go down that, oh, gotta do it again. I keep not showing you guys what I'm doing, and it's very rude. Okay. Things are happening to me now. Hey, look at that. Now look, the numbers are right. Oh, man. All right. Invite links. Okay. Releases. Okay. Cool. All right. Add testers or groups. Can I just put any old email in here? Okay. I put my email on there. All right. Let's see if I get a thing that do the thing. So let's go back. Am I still sharing this guy? Boop. I am. Boop. All right. You. Remove the app. Delete the app. Yes. Do that. Okay. Now, let's see. Did I get a very special email? No, I did not. Okay. What is this copy? What is this copy? Copy release link. Release link copied to clipboard. There we go. Open the invitation email on your mobile device to install test apps. Okay, fuck you then. Oh wait. Okay. Copy. How can I do this? There we go. To me. No, doesn't work. Oh wait, duh. You can't be stupid. You gotta be smarter. Listen, let me tell you something. You gotta be not stupid. All right, I'm gonna turn this off. It's not working right now anyway. Put this back on. Wait. What did I just do? Oh, that's that thing. That's that old thing. Oh my god, man. And this is this. This is... Hmm? Did you... Did... It... Noises. Weird noises. Okay. No. Yes. There. Okay, now I sent myself a text. The text has the thing, has the link, the magical link. I'm going to go to the magical link. It says verified you. Put in your password. Do it. Do it. Distribution. Choose an account. This one. Apps that are ready to test will show up here. Well, I added this. What? Oh, wait, next. Wait, God bless it. Next. Distribute to one tester. Oh, you gotta be not an idiot, sir. Alright, you've been invited. Holy shit, I've been invited. Look at me. I feel so important. Okay, I consent. Register. Oh my god. Okay. Download the Firebase profile. Open the settings app and install the Firebase profile. Alright. Download the profile. Allow it. Profile downloaded. Review the profile and settings app if you want to install it. Okay. Settings. Profile downloaded. Install that profile. Passcode. Install. Things are happening. Done. Profiles in. I did it. Done. Device registered. You're all set. Okay. Okay. Is it on? No, I did that. One release. You're all set. Okay. App distribution. Okay. Can I have it? Device registered. You'll get an email when the app is ready to test.
Looks like you are finally making some progress there. Potato_O_no.
It's true.
I was beginning to think we'd be here all day.
I know.
So, what's next on your never-ending checklist of tech adventures? Need any more brilliant insights from yours truly?
Okay. So, no. Here. Accept it. No. I don't want to revoke the access. I want to release it to testing. Releases. Testers and groups. No, I don't want to delete it. Releases. Release this release. It's a thing. Okay. Accepted 1, downloaded 0. Alright, how do I download it? Alright, I have the release link again. Let's go back into here. Let's go to here. Device registered. Okay. So put it on the app. Register device, add app distribution to your home screen. Okay, I've done those things. Okay. App distribution. Test apps. Search, release, and notes. I want you to do it. Apps you're testing. Okay. I want you to do it. Sir. 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 I want you to do the thing. Now. Device registered. You'll get an email when the app is ready to test. Okay. Well, okay. Is this like I have to wait? Learn more. Let's learn more. Click distribute to make your build available to testers. Okay. On the releases, select an app you want to distribute from the drop-down menu. Okay. Okay. No. Releases 1. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna make another build. I'm gonna go over here to this thing. I'm gonna say this is now this. Okay, now here I'm gonna build. Build it for iOS. Showing the wrong thing again. Boom. Show this thing. I want it to work. I'm so close. Okay, now I want to build the IPA. While we're waiting for this, Bobby, help me find some new names for
We're waiting.
Help me find some new names for Monility.
Oh, the waiting game. My favorite. Also known as let's see how long it takes Potate to lose patience. Okay, let's brainstorm some names while we wait for this app drama to unfold. How about Code Calamity or Debugging Despair? Or maybe something optimistic like Adventure Awaits. Let me know your thoughts, or if you want more suggestions.
Hey Bobby, suggest alternatives to the name Monility.
Sure, let's give Mo some variety. How about Mojo? Or maybe Mowgli if you're feeling adventurous. There's also Moses if you want something a bit biblical. And if we're going for cuteness, Momo is always a crowd pleaser. Let me know which ones tickle your fancy.
We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna do it like this. I don't think that worked. I don't think she heard that. Maybe I gotta do it here. Interesting. Let's go back over here. Let's look over here. No, it sure didn't come through at all. Mm-mm. Okay. Well, what if we did one of these? See, I can't use the speech to text. Why? Because the name is not a word.
Loud and clear, Captain. Well, as loud as text can be anyway. Speech to text can be a real pain sometimes, especially with names that don't exist in its little dictionary brain. Maybe try spelling it out phonetically if you can. Or invent a new word and start a revolution. Your call. What's next on this wild ride? Monilighty, the app name that sounds like mobility's creative cousin. Let's see what we can cook up. You could try Motionite, giving it a nice dynamic vibe. How about Mobilityx for a tetchy twist? Or go with Fluxion if you want something that feels cool and fluid. Let me know if you've found your winner or need more options.
Okay. All right. So the build finished. Move this here. All right. And what we want to do is here. We say we're going to browse here. And we're going to go here. This was built at 10:01. Yes. Okay. Okay. Well, this is like the same as we had before. No testers out of this release. Add this tester. Next. Please test this, you... Please test this, you jerk. Okay, made a box. The box went over there. Distribution successful. Okay. Accepted 1. Yes. Okay. It's the same thing. It says device registered, you're all set. You'll get an email when the app is ready to test. Latest. Okay. No. Okay. Download the latest build. Okay. Do that. Do that. Yes, I consent. Start testing. Install. All right. Okay, wait. Install. I did this. I did this. I did all these things. This is done. To download the apps you want to test, okay? The app distribution. Here's the app. This is not working. This doesn't work at all. This is not a functional thing. You said that this works. It doesn't do what you say it does at all. It's unbelievably frustrating. Okay. All right. Okay. Firebase iOS app distribution. I feel like this thing just doesn't work. All right. Okay, let's just be chill for a minute. We are going to go here. We're going to go here. And we're going to developer.op. You know what? We're going to do this in Safari. And developer.apple.com. Yes. Account. Yes. Log in. Okay. Apps. No. This is not what I want. I mean, I could go through this whole thing. I might need to go through this whole thing. See, I don't want to throw this in the App Store right now. What I want is just to distribute to 2 people. Okay. All right. I need a SKU? Question mark. A unique ID that is not visible. All right. JPLT Moni app. Okay. Create. Okay. Test flight. Okay. Submit a build. Upload your builds using one of several tools. Hey, upload tools. Fine. Do it. Yes, fingerprint it. Open. I fucking agree so hard. Ugh. Easily deliver your app, music, movie, TV show, or book. Apple. Great. So happy about that. Thank you. Okay. Add app. I assume this wants the thing. So I'm going to go here, 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 here. Okay. Deliver. I'm going to be real mad if they're going to be like, oh, now we just need to review it. The app is processing. I don't even think I have test flight on my phone anymore. Test flight. I do. Welcome. Okay. The app is processing. Oh boy. What is this button? Log. Okay, well, let's push this button. Oh, delivery log. Okay. Okay. Okay, processing. Great. Internal testing. You can add up to 100 testers and they can test builds using the test flight app. Enable automatic distribution to automatically deliver all Xcode builds to everyone in the group. Enable automatic distribution. Group name. Alpha testers. Create. Okay, builds that are distributed to this group will show here. Okay. Builds. The following builds are available to test. Okay. Oh, spinning. Spinning is happening. Okay. Processing. Okay. We're still processing it. Okay. Test information. Complete test information is required to submit a build for external testing. I don't want to do that yet. That's fine. That's fine. All right. Get to done. Okay? Get to done. All right, while we're waiting for that, I want to search for...
Well, we're waiting.
Still too loud. Will not install. This one. If you're installing an ad hoc distribution, this message appears and the developer hasn't yet configured their app to run on your test device. To make the app available to you, the developer must complete the instructions and register additional devices. Okay. Import the device UDID as a CSV file in the Testers and Groups tab of the App Distribution dashboard, all testers. Then click Export Apple UDIDs to download a CSV file. Oh, good lord. Wait, I gotta get... such a pain in the dick. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh. Okay. When you receive an email containing a UDID, update your provisioning profile.
Sounds like you're having a real party with this app stuff, hey? Maybe the app is just as confused as you are. But hey, at least you don't need to solve world hunger in the process. Maybe give it a little pat and some words of encouragement, like you can do it, or I believe in you, or just threaten to throw your phone out the window, whatever works. Speaking of Windows, why don't they play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding with a Windows operating system. Winking face.
I don't get it. All right, when you receive an email containing UDID, update your provisioning profiles with UDID and distribute a new build to your testers. Okay. Testers and groups export Apple UDIDs to download a CSV file. All right, so meanwhile, let's reload this page. Missing compliance, manage. What type of encryption algorithms does your app implement? None. Ready to submit. Groups, alpha testers. Internal groups, alpha testers. Can't click it. No explanation. Just can't do it. Cool. Oh, wait, there it is. They're ready to test. Okay. Testers. You and you. Add. 2 testers have been added to this group. No builds available. Okay. Okay. Test flight. New in test flight. Accept. Install. Okay. Test flight works better. Open. Hey, it worked. All right. And I got the yellow dot. The yellow dot. Yes. All right. So now I think he will get that. I think that's a good. I'm going to go get my smoothie. I'm going to have a smoothie break. I think it's time for a smoothie break. And then I don't know what I'm going to do next. Do I want to work some more? I think so. I don't know. I've only been on for 2 hours. Not very long. Maybe we should do some demo data and some reward stuff. We should do some more stuff. All right, I'll be right back. Holy shit, that's good. Very good. That didn't take long. All right. But now I gotta wash my hands. Now I'll be right back again. All right. Holy shit. You know, it's like a thing. All right. So, I want to reload this guy. Oh, you're not looking at that. Look at that. Look at it. Yeah, bro. All right. Well, while you figure that out, you think about that. You go and you think about what you did. All right. We need a demo data. I want to close some of this stuff. I still kind of want to get the other distribution thing working. Just because I think it might be a little easier to automate, but the whole UDID thing is like a pain in the neck. Oh, I should have got an email. Let me see if I got an email from myself about my UDID. I did not. Oh, but I should be able to like export them. Oh. Okay. Missing potentially required entitlement. Apple push notification. Okay. Okay. Well, that's cool. There's a couple of things we gotta deal with. Okay. Okay. Oh, new device registered. Okay. Here's the new device. Here's the UID. Okay. Include the device in your app's provisioning profile. Build your app using the updated provisioning profile. Distribute your app. Okay. I think I'm going to do that. I want to do that. All right. So how do we do that? So let's... Oh, God damn it. Oh, God. I don't know which one to do. Oh, wait, here. Sign your iOS. Okay. Okay. Oh, this thing's still spinning. You go away. Fine. Okay. Great. Very good. Alright. What do I need? Launch keychain. Certificate. Request a certificate from a certificate authority. Enter an email address. Enter a name. Leave CA email address empty. Save to disk. Oh, okay. Choose keychain access certificate assistance request certificate. Okay, keychain access request certificate.
Looks like you're knee-deep in some app-building shenanigans.
Yeah,
Hopefully, the spinning wheel of doom gives you a break soon. If I were you, I'd try to bribe it with some coffee. Anyway, let me know if you need me to attempt to decipher anything else for you. I've got my snarky detective hat ready.
Okay, I did the thing. Yeah, you need this thing. Right. Right. Okay. Okay, no problem. Let's do it again. Okay. You good, bro? You good? Okay. We're gonna put this in here. Okay. Okay. Now, what do I do with this thing? What do I gotta do? Include the device in your app's provisioning profile. I got a certificate. Profiles. I still don't have the provision. I did this already. Okay. Okay. Oh. Build your app using the updated provisioning profile. Okay, how do I do that? How do I do that? This is Firebase. All right, so I don't even know what to search for. Flutter build with provisioning profile. Okay. Yeah. All right, I'm not gonna fight with this. I think I'm done with that piece. I'm gonna call it done. I don't want to. The Firebase distribution is too much of a pain in the ass. We're just gonna use test flight. I know it works. All right. So, what do I want to do next? Let's take a look. I think we should work on the rewards tab next. Oh, and I need a logo. And all kinds of shit.
I like your style. Too bad you're not a singer.
Screen sharing. Okay. And then I want to go this and this. There we go. All right. Let's make this bigger. Uh-oh. All right, so we're going to update the demo data first. That's easy. And take a look at what we decided last time. Okay, let's go over here. Okay. All right, so we decided the first thing it was going to be was setting up for eco charging, right? Enabled eco charging in. Let's just say enabled eco charging, and that is worth 2,000 points. Uh-oh. What happened? Where did all my stuff go? What happened? Interesting. So what I think I want to do now is do this in here. Builds. The builds, they are a building.
Oh, look at that. A classic case of where did my stuff go? The internet gremlins must be hungry today. While you're hunting down those missing files, maybe consider offering a peace treaty with them. I hear they like cookies. And hey, if you need unsolicited advice, I'm your bot. Speaking of which, did you know that I once helped potate_o_no solve a similar mystery using nothing but charm and sarcasm? True story.
Why is it looking for... Aha. Int is not a subtype of double. Ah. So I changed... Data points must be coming through as an int because I changed points to a whole number, but that doesn't make sense. Okay. In this case, it'd be great if I could see what this was. Bro, are you serious? Listen, guy. How about this? Huh? How about that? How's that sound? What an a-hole. Alright. Great. Why is this good? By using this data to make more informed decisions on charging times, customers are empowered to do their part to help reduce power plant emissions that impact human health and climate change. Okay. So we're going to say enabled eco charging with watt time. With watt time. And where was the extended description? It was rationale. Let me see. Add fuel rationale. Leveraging watt time to schedule charging helps. Okay. Okay. And I should change some of these other things. Link eco charging. Okay. All right. Very good. All right, clean assist. All right, let's take a look. Clean Assist program is a program where Toyota matches the amount of electricity used to charge your plug-in electric vehicle or battery electric vehicle with 100% renewable energy through the renewable energy certificates. If applicable, we report the total amount of your clean energy to the state and local regulatory boards to generate LCFS credits that help promote and educate EV adoption. Great. registered for Clean Assist. How many points do you get? 2,500. Link account. Link account. Clean Assist. Add a field. Rationale. All right, so now I'm going to take the text right out of their press release. That is what we're doing. Clean Assist with an active remote connect trial or subscription is a program that enhances the ownership of experience of plug-in hybrid electric vehicles in California and BZ4X models nationally, helping to minimize their environmental impact by allowing you to get 100% of your charge matched with renewable electricity. That's actually kind of cool. We got to download the app. All right, so you didn't register, you enrolled. Okay. You enrolled. Okay. Copy. Paste. Minimizes. No. I don't need to put that. By allowing you to get getting 100% of your charge matched with renewable electricity. Enables or allows you or I don't know how to write this. Makes 100% of your charge matched with renewable electricity. Let's just say 100% of your vehicle charging is matched with renewable electricity. Okay. And you haven't registered, you'd enrolled. Enrolled in Clean Assist. Cool. Great. Okay. Okay. So this one is going to be, so I'm going to put in like, this one's going to be like, started charging vehicle charging streak, 1 of 3. I need like dates in here. I still have to do that, right? Like, this is just a list right now. It needs dates in the list. EV charging streak. Yeah, and I should put some real dates in here. And then we should update the code to manage the dates correctly. Right? Yes, correct. All right. I feel like my points are way off here. No, I think it was right before. I think I need to just bring down the one. And this one we'll call, oh, you're a little bit tired. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, now I need rationale for these guys. Uh-oh. Oh, not found. What? That was very loud. What is all this error? Prompt template.txt file not found. What is going on? Why is everything broken now? Network path is not found. Oh no. Oh no. Terrible things are happening. Okay. Terrible things happening over here. Oh no, they are. Oh no. Alright. Alright. Let's see if we can salvage this. I guess our memory problems on the NAS are no longer aren't resolved after all. We thought that they were, but clearly they are not. Which means everything is going to go horribly wrong now. God bless America. Well, let's see if that comes back. All right, scheduled chart using scheduled charging ensures reduces your impact on the grid and your electricity bill. What's that? Well, fuckity fuck, man. Always something, right? Now Bobby's dead. Nothing's working. It's deep into swap. Listen, bud, I'm going to need you to go ahead and respond. Maybe the web will respond. I doubt it, but let's try it. Nope. No. I think it's hard reset time again. Which means it's gonna have to rebuild a bunch of shit. It's gonna be a fucking shit show for an hour. Fun. All right. Well, good enough. All right. So I did the demo data for now. I'm gonna check that off the list. I think what we're gonna do is just. It hasn't quite been 3 hours. It's been a kind of little short guy today, but I think we got a lot done. I'm ready to like pause here. I might do a little more on my own, and then we'll pick it up tomorrow. I'll do some more rewards tab. Maybe do some wireframing. Need to do that too.